Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm wearing my robe, I know, but I got this box that just came in from Allure Beauty. I wanted to try out. I hear so many good reviews about it. You can see my lights behind me because I'm using the daylight, the natural sun. It is so nice outside. Let me turn this up so we can get a little bit more light. But yeah, why not use the day? So there was a deal. I think it was like, this is usually $15, but there was a deal for it to be $10. And like now I feel like people are like looking. I mean, I live in a busy street, so. But anyways, so I want to try it out and see for myself if I actually like it, if I actually want to keep it what the hype is about. Because I've tried Ipsy before and it's great, but like how many things can I get every month? So I just want to open this up, try it out, see if I like it, and then at the end we'll see if I think it's worth it. You're gonna hear my son in the background, of course, as usual. If you're new to my channel, my children are always in the background. So yeah, so we open it up and this is what we get, a little booklet of what's inside. And the first sample, which was in a bag, it is Amika. I never know if I say that right. Amika Soulfood Nourishing Mask. Oh, it's a face mask. Oh no, it's a hair mask. It is, I was gonna say, this brand is not face, it's hair. Gratify your hair with rich, high potency nourishment that hydrates and softens to the core. Alright, so then let's check out this cute little white bag. I like this little bag. Actually, I can actually use this for to put like my makeup, or even like to go out with my husband on a date night. Hold on. Date night. Yeah. I made myself laugh there. That's funny. But so I'm gonna open it up. And the first item that we have, it is the, let me take out all the plastic. It is the Brow Gal Tanya Crooks Instant Brow Hair 2 Tinted Brow Gel with microfibers. So that's that. Interesting. Should I open it? Let's see. Oh, wait. Once you open up makeup, doesn't it expire? Right? 12 months. Okay, so I don't want to open this because I don't want it to expire, so never mind. Let's move on to the next product. The next thing we have here, it is the I love this brand. Tartiest Quick Dry Matte Lip Paint. I'm excited. Ooh, look at the color. I don't know if you can see this color. Let me see. Ah. You can see that color. I don't think you can, because I didn't tap the screen well enough. Hold it back this way. I love Tarte. Like, I love this color. Oh, you know what? My sister had a color like this, and like we ran out. Oh my god, this I am excited about. It was kind of open. Why are all my products always open? I'm like Jinx, guys. I'm Jinx. When it comes to subscription boxes, I'm Jinx because my stuff is always open. I don't know how that was open, but it was open. Then the next thing, what fell before, was the Mamonde Rose Water Toner. I love rose water. I love rose scented anything. And it is the strength of beauty can be discovered in flowers. The benefits are soothing and moisturizing, and it's for all skin types. See that?
Oh, mommy!
I'll be right back. My daughter's awake. Okay, guys, I am back. My daughter woke up from her nap. All right, so the next item is the Model Code Metallic Eyeshadow Trio. Mykonos. Oh, guys, Mykonos. This one.
Let me open it up if I can. I'm having a phone.
Ooh, this is a nice color. I'm probably don't know if I personally don't know if I will use this color, but that's it. Oh, look at how it shines in the light. This is nice. If I don't use this, then I'll put it in a giveaway. If I don't, I'm not sure. I feel like I need to expand my eyeshadow palette collection. And the next thing that is in here is Acure. Welcome to Skin Wellness. Seriously Soothing Blue Tansy Night Oil. It's that. Let's see what this is. Oh, it is blue. Let's see, what is it supposed to do? We believe that skin wellness means helping your skin thrive with soothing hydration and botanical ingredients. I don't know why. I don't know why I'm having such a hard time reading that. But yeah, it's warm 1 to 2 pumps in the palm and pressed into the face, neck, and décolleté. Oh, décolleté, however they say it. But yeah, okay, well, it is paraben free, sulfate free, mineral oil free, petrolatum free, silicone free, and cruelty free. Blue tansy and rose. Oh, there's rose. I'll say I'll put this in a giveaway, but it has rose in it. I probably will still put it in a giveaway. And then last but not least, it is the Allure Beauty Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara. This, I've wanted to try this brand. I hear so much about it. So this bag was only $10 for me, but it's normally $15. So let's do a breakdown. Do I think that it's worth it? Am I going to renew? I'm probably not going to renew because I don't want to be getting little makeup samples and products and skincare every week. I already get FabFitFun, and well, I'm canceling my FabFitFun, and I already get the Speedy 2 box, and then I get like other deals throughout the year of other products. So I'm probably not going to renew with Allure. I'm probably canceled it already, but let's do the math. Is it a good deal? So we get
a bag, a really cute clutch. You get a makeup palette, little mini makeup palette. It's 1 item. You get a lipstick, 2. You get a brow gel, 3. You get a night oil, 4. You get a little rose water toner, that's 5. You get a mascara, which is from a good brand, and it doesn't seem like this is a trial size, so it's like a full size. 1, 2, 3. That's number 6. And then you get a hair mask.
7 items for $15, and it touches everything. Your hair, your lips, your brows, your eyes, and your skin. Okay, so let's do the math. Okay, look at the little booklet. It says the Tartiest lip balm. The lipstick is $20 for that size. And then, oh wait, these are the full size products. Okay, so the lipstick is $20. The toner is $23. That's crazy. No way this little thing is $23. I'm gonna put if it is there. I'm gonna do my research. The mascara is $26. The brow gel is $22. The skin oil, the blue tinted. Okay, so mine looks way different. Oh, mine is the sample size, but the original size, because this is the sample size, but the original size is 1 ounce, and that's $12.99. This is $28, and the eyeshadow palette is $18. This little tiny eyeshadow palette is $18. So for $15, you're getting a really good deal, quite honestly, because one of these products is more than the box. The box is $15 and this alone is 20 bucks. This is over $20. This is over $20. I don't remember, but this was over $20. This isn't over $20, but it's over $15. And so I think this, no, not this, but like still, this is like a $50, way over like $100 something box for $15, which I think that was the goal for this box. I think it says it's priced over $100 for $15 worth of products. But yeah, do I think the Allure bag is worth the money? Heck yeah, but that's only if you're into getting products like this or similar to this every single month. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great day, afternoon, or evening, whatever time you're watching. Bye now.